Hello guys and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we'll show you how to use Gemini AI to generate images for free. So let us just navigate to the Gemini. Okay, and before we begin generating and before I show you how to do this, just keep in mind that just like in any service today, nothing is provided to you for free, and if they do, that free is going to be actually limited. So in terms of the free plan, you have a certain amount of images you can create for free, after which you hit a limit, and then you will have to wait a certain amount of time until that limit is being reset, and then you can generate again. So just keep that in mind. But in terms of how to actually do this, it's pretty simple. You just navigate to the usual place where you start in Gemini, and if you want to create images, you can just input your prompt, for example, create an image of a dog or whatever you wish. But I would suggest just click on create an image here. And now, as you can see, we have multiple presets that you can use. So for example, I choose, let's say, mythic fighter. There you go. And you can create an image of a Viking or whatever, just whatever you wish. So depending on which style of the photo you wish to go for, you can choose, for example, steampunk, cinematic, whatever you want. And that particular style is going to be applied to your created image and your output. So I'm just going to say, for example, creates two Vikings fighting with axes, something like this, right? And then press on send. And now, just as you can see, it will create your image. So let us wait for the output. All right, so as you can see, now we have the image, two Vikings fighting. As you can see, the style is the same. And yeah, we have some, as you can see, some sparking animations, some snow. I mean, pretty good stuff. So just keep in mind that you have the limits. There's no unlimited ability of creating images. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple to do. So enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.